5 easy ways to fix Final Cut Pro storage issues, and let's start with the first one. For this, just simply open up your Final Cut Pro and then click over here on the Final Cut Pro at the top, and here select the option of settings. Now select the option of import, and here you get this particular option of copy to library storage location. This basically creates additional files for you. You can simply uncheck it and select this one instead, which is leave files in place. This is going to help you out in a better way when managing your storage space. But make sure to keep a backup of your files in case if they are quite important to you and it is not a one-time project. So this way you can save some storage space. Now let's move on with the second step, and for this as well, you will have to click on Final Cut Pro, then the settings. In some cases, you might see it as preferences in order to open this up. Then select the option of import, and here under the section of transcode, simply uncheck both these options as it is not at all required if you are not doing a high-end project which are quite like movies or TV series or something like that. So we are actually not doing that kind of stuff on our device. That's why it is completely fine to uncheck these boxes as well. Now for the third one, we will have to select this option of playback over here, and here you get this particular option of background render. Simply uncheck it, and this basically takes up unnecessary space of yours, and instead of doing this you can simply get back, and let me show you how you can render manually. Select any particular part of your project. Suppose I want to render this one, then I will go on to the modify option at the top, and here you get this particular option of render all or render a selection, and this way you would be able to render it up. The shortcut is Ctrl R for it. Now let's check out the fourth tip, and it is simply select any particular library and click on this option of file, and here you get this particular option of delete generated library files. Simply click on it, and this way you can save up a good amount of storage, as Final Cut Pro just simply likes storing your photos or files that you are adding, so it just adds up in the overall storage of your device. So simply click on it and delete the generated library files. Now for the fifth tip, it is when you start a particular project, simply create any new library. Then when you start a project, suppose I press Command N, then here instead of selecting the 4K option, you can go with 1080p or 1080i HD as well. So if you want to save some storage, instead of 4K, go with the lower pixels, and this way you would be able to save a good amount of storage on your device. So I hope these tips were helpful for you and it solves your problem. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more such helpful videos. See you in the next video.